Go get some gasoline. Ooh, gloves are a weird feeling when you can actually feel the handlebars. Get a little sunset shade action going there. Oh, me. It's Sunday. It's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, everyone. It's right approaching 60 degrees this morning here. Poor squirrel. Didn't have a chance. Here's another one. Need a squirrel crosswalk. Gonna run over here and get some gas. Petrol. Whee, petrol. Look at the glistening rocks in the asphalt. Wow, I got the light. Anybody coming? Nope. He's turning left. Let's see. Go down 2 gears. Go down 1 more. Blink. Let's see, 329. Wow, I think that's gone down. I think that's gone down. I do not want a receipt. Come on, pants, zip up. Put that there. There's that. Take that out. Ooh, getting cold on the handle. That looks full. Whoops. Stick it in my mirror. Didn't hurt nothing. was trying to use my card though. I guess what I'm going to do is use my other phone. I've got two phones, two different numbers. I'd love to be able to hook it up so that I could actually record a conversation. I think if I actually wired out one of the speakers over to one of these microphones all have inputs. They've got a, what is that input called? I guess it's not a TRS. Anyway, it's that little plug. It's about 1/8. There's a 1/8 and a 1/4, and there's I think a 1/16 intersection. Two cars sitting here ready to go. Neither one of them's moving. Cool. So, wire that out to a speaker, and then I can probably record off the phone both sides of the conversation. Because he's entertaining as hell. Listen to him. I was telling him how much this thing was really getting up and going when I was coming down the highway, and he said, yeah, that thing got more torque than the space shuttle. I never heard that before. More torque than the space shuttle. Oh me, I don't really have anything to talk about today. I just want to go down there and ramble a little bit. Get out here and ride the motor. It's such a pretty day here. This is actually my kind of weather. I mean, I'd rather dress up a little bit to be warm than, you know. I don't know if I'm going to buy me one of them cooling suits next year or not. Ooh, pretty horses. I've got about, I guess about 10 miles once I get up here to this main intersection and down a 4-lane. Oh, that must be shed hunting. Looks like she had a deer antler in her hand. Looks wet in the middle. One of those roads on a low, you end up complacency because it's so long. Wonder if there's any state troopers out here spreading Yuletide. One more gear. You see that thing? That must have been the traction control or something. wheelie control kicked in. When I gave it full throttle, it backed off. Woo, almost got a squirrel. Where did Uncle Goat say these were? Smooth rocks. Smooth rocks. So if I went down, it'd be because of smooth rocks. I love Goat. He's so great. He's so crazy. He's very entertaining. Ooh, I felt it that time. Yeah. Yeah. Traction control, you gotta love that. Until it don't work and you hit the ground. Then you don't love it. Alright, YouTubers. I am down here at the Ma Nepal. And I was real comfortable when I was riding. Now I'm starting to sweat. So let's put her neutral, and we'll talk to you on the return trip.